Welcome back to our channel. This is step 5 of our garage to kitchen conversion series, where we continue transforming the space into a functional and beautiful kitchen. In this step, we'll walk you through all the interior work, including flooring, drywall, painting, trim, and final finishes to complete the inside of the project. Now that the framing, rough electrical, plumbing, and insulation are complete, we can move on to the final interior work. The first step is installing the drywall. After that, we apply the primer and one coat of paint. Next, we install the flooring, and then move on to the kitchen cabinets. Once the cabinets are set, we can install the dishwasher. The rest of the appliances will be installed after the countertop is in place. Countertops typically take about 1 to 2 weeks to fabricate and install. Once the countertop is installed, we complete the painting and finish installing all the appliances. After that, we move on to all the details, fixtures, trim, lighting, and the final plumbing connections. At the very end, we apply the final coat of paint. In the next video, we'll walk you through the exterior phase of the project. Thank you for watching. If you're looking for a reliable contractor who delivers quality work for home additions and full home remodeling, give us a call at 7039-803-266. At DC Home Addition and Home Remodeling, we're here to help you build with confidence.